Your home is your sanctuary, and protecting it is a top priority for any homeowner in Meridian, Idaho. While most people think of alarm systems and motion sensor lights when it comes to home security, your windows play a crucial role in safeguarding your property. One of the most secure window styles available today is the casement window. Casement windows, which are hinged on the side and open outward like a door using a crank handle, offer a number of security advantages over traditional sliding or single-hung windows. Whether you're upgrading your home's look or replacing older units, here's how casement windows can significantly enhance home security in Meridian. Locking system embedded in the frame. Casement windows are known for their multi-point locking systems, which are embedded directly into the window frame. Unlike traditional windows that may only have a single latch, casement windows typically lock at several points along the frame when the handle is turned. This makes them harder to pry open and more resistant to forced entry. Be secure at multiple contact points. For Meridian homeowners, this means added peace of mind, especially when you're away at work, on vacation, or simply want to sleep soundly at night. No exposed sashes to tamper with. One of the vulnerabilities of sliding or double-hung windows is their visible tracks or sashes, which intruders can manipulate using common tools. Casement windows eliminate this concern. When closed, the sash is tightly pressed into the frame, and there's no exterior access to latches or tracks. This design offers an added layer of defense, making it nearly impossible for intruders to open the window from the outside without breaking the glass. Tighter seal and enhanced durability. Casement windows form one of the tightest seals among all window styles. This is great for energy efficiency, but also excellent for home security. The tight fit makes it difficult for anyone to wiggle the window open, and the strong seal resists both wind pressure and tampering. In a place like Meridian, where seasonal changes bring everything from heavy winds to dry heat, having a window that holds strong against both intruders and the elements is a smart long-term investment. Reinforced glass options. Modern casement windows often come with reinforced or impact-resistant glass. You can opt for tempered glass, which is 4 times stronger than standard glass. Laminated glass, which holds together even when shattered. Double or triple pane glass with additional security benefits. These glass options not only deter break-ins but also enhance soundproofing and energy savings, adding both comfort and safety to your home. Smart design that complements alarm systems. Casement windows work seamlessly with today's smart home security systems. Because they have a defined open-closed motion, it's easy to install sensors that alert you to unauthorized openings. These sensors can notify you via smartphone if a window is breached, trigger alarms or cameras to activate, integrate with your home's wider security setup. This level of customization and control makes casement windows an ideal choice for tech-savvy homeowners looking to strengthen every entry point. A stylish and secure upgrade. Security doesn't mean sacrificing style. Casement windows are available in a wide range of designs, finishes, and materials, perfect for matching both modern and traditional Meridian homes. Whether you're renovating or building new, you can choose vinyl for low-maintenance durability, wood for classic charm, fiberglass or aluminum for sleek, modern appeal. These windows add visual appeal while significantly increasing your home's safety. Final thoughts. Safety starts with the right window. Casement windows are one of the smartest and most secure window styles on the market. For homeowners in Meridian looking to enhance their home's safety without compromising on aesthetics or functionality, casement windows offer a perfect solution. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and protect your home, reach out to a trusted Meridian window professional to explore options, get a quote, and enjoy the confidence of a safer, more secure home.